Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, a lot of people are asking me that when VFS in India is gonna resume its normal operations. Well, there has been too much of speculations around, but in reality, nobody knows for sure because we know the times are highly unpredictable and we all are reeling under it. And it's not just about a single country, and it's about all. In some way or other, every country has been affected in this pandemic. Now, few things you need to consider, like until this is cleared, it's not a simple task to operate under normal circumstances because spread is like it can happen anywhere at any time. And as we are seeing around every day, we see that something now and then is happening. And even in India, as I was reading the news, like some cities and at some locations lockdowns have been reimposed because of spike in cases. So at this time, how could you even think that things will go normal? I know that there's so much of rumor around it, but rumors don't make the decision. Situations actually. And it's not just about IRCC in India, everywhere. In some way or other, they are affected, but in India, the caseload is always huge. That is why it's now high time, and rumors are also high. But in reality, nobody knows. But yes, like once things come under control, if these vaccines are proved highly effective, which I think they would be, so then probably we'll see. But as of now, I don't see any possibility of any normal operations for at least for let's say 4 5 6 months even, because even after going back to normal, the backlog will be so huge that it would take some time at least to clear them and before they can resume their normal activities. So this is a reality we all have to accept, and based on that we need to proceed. Thanks for watching, guys.